Hello, today I want to show you some of the options under interactivity in the search element settings. So I already dropped in two search elements. Let's go to the settings under interactivity. And you can notice that the default setting has a check mark here on show clear button. I'm going to leave that as a reference, but on the second one, I'm actually going to uncheck that box. Let's save and preview. You can notice that the default search element has an X to clear your search box. However, when we uncheck the show clear button, you prevent your user from being able to erase anything inside the search element.